At this moment, our web app do not store any information about the email in the to-do. So actually, here we will add the to-dos to all people. So no matter you are using this account or the other account, you still see the same to-do list. So in this part, we are going to add the information of the email. So each people will only fetch their own to-do list. In order to do this, we have to back to the to-do form, and then instead of just submit the to-do, we have to add one more information, and which is the current user email. So at this part, we are not just adding the to-do and also the timestamp. We are going to add the current user information. So we have to go to here and get the current user, and which is equal to use of. And the use of is import from the auth provider. So we save it, and at here we have to add the email, and the email is the current user.email. So now if we delete all the to-dos, and then we are going to add Luna's to-do and Luna's detail, and if we go back to the file store and then we check, and then you can see we have the email, and which is from Luna. And if we go to another account and then we choose Cyrus, and at this moment you can also see all the people to-dos because we haven't set the query method, but we are going to add another to-do. And now you can see it also has another email. And now we go to fetch the to-do list. So we go to the to-do list, and instead of fetch all the to-dos, we have to make some changes on the query. And here we have to use the current user email. So again, we have to add the current user, and then which is equal to use of. And here we also have to import from the auth.js. And then we go to here, instead of just order by timestamp, we have to add where email is double equal to current user email. And then we have to add the where from the file store. Now if we back to the web page and we do not see any to do, and let's check on the console, and you can see it requires the index, so we have to press, and then we press on this link, and then it suggests we have to create an index, so we are going to create. Now after it already finished the creation of index, we can go back to our page and then we refresh. Now instead of seeing all the to-dos, it will just see his own to-dos. And if we go back to the Luna's page, you should just see the Luna to-dos. So let's have a try. And now you can see it just displays Luna's to-do rather than Luna's and Cyrus to-do.